cater no afi ni brief me for the first time say na omo adwuma no e ka kire say na tie so ho na me kire no the same thing for a journalist bia wonim bibia you are not able to know everything ye wo ba bia wonim ba bia wonim but uma opinion ni do anim too much. For example, some of my colleagues ekika na ma bia mani anye ho kra so me modin
sure
but me can me sure say omo follow news no betimi ahu nipa me kana asem. This idea say government is not a byway adwuma na enso ani but MPP for the omun come anum tum kra because anya hwe. That kind of sweeping statement should not come from journalists. So tia say you can complain say ni ekoso no utimu say I was thinking news chance until we have a problem as a country.
Sure.
But it's only who should keep quiet. Opposition keep quiet. What be that? Opposition keep quiet. Now why nebekasa? Government we are not doing NDC are not doing in opposition. She near ma omo ye ne near ma omo kikae. Omo no enkasa in opposition. Omo sankasa in government bio. Opposition cannot keep quiet because opposition adwuma is to keep government on its toe. But so a journalist making such sweeping and then equalization. I have not been happy. Parties in the same. It's not, with all due respect, it's not intelligent enough. Omo the same how? How are we the same? Who did what? It was so bizarre questions, take time, probe, ask. And then now government, especially government out to say because now you are right there, right now. You're supposed to give us the needed leadership. If I'm saying people are buying someone can make the argument sending you do buy. And I'm a boy.
Very true.
Who criticize who can near ma who bet me who opposition my prescription intino abaye twam no kra anya hwe kra na say ye de waba nti wo no ena wo so answer to us wo kire ne ya wo ye ena abaye dada no so ka bibia wo betimi abisa say okay nti mo so de na mo ye
great question
obisa ne ye kire mu na afi wo ye kire mu wie na wo so agree and ye have a conversation mpacho otima say this argument yes sir o mind nko na ni mu da because that bia ye so o mu nyina ye the same any young man sasswagu in the air say, Omunina bibia and Kosu Krum ha. Entianya den, Yina Yuana. Prof, we should just sit there and lament and die. We can't die. We can't also sit aloof and my croning yaden and say. So we should ask probing questions. For example, Ceciano, Abain. Hefa in Yedru. What is the way forward? Fuse system ya maker. Early warning system I say or my no. Anya jumana. Anya juma. Dinti na anya juma. Until next time be a winya GMET for say. I don't know someone a fuse system neswa. I've only read the reports. Over the weekend, Juma Maya read lots of reports around this issue. And I've learned a whole lot. Intino, who shall know be some say fuse no. Inti a year Juma.
Bring us up to speed with the fuse. Fuse the denga.
Fuse no eka garret. It's an early warning system.
Okay.
So and it's supposed to help us know better. A World Bank Garrett project, can fuse neka. And it's supposed to be one of the components are omarie. But ultimately, I don't know more than that on it. Intina Maker say, Unya GMET for it will be good to find out when you just by the way, because I'm just saying it's a Monday, Mimi Nami will show us a crown Ekasa DNA for the Yajin. And opano, I was on joy. And I didn't happening. And then we found out, say, I said, Oman Sheda to me unpredicted. How severe
the intensity of
the are we really sure? And Omo Kenya say because not too long ago, Omo can say near Bano crime was chain Monday, dear.
Sure.
And as they say, I say, Omo ano assistant. So I'm just wondering, say, how much can we really almost systems in the day? Until next time, as I'm saying, journalists should be probing because any panic be brain no omuni mic here, prof ewo. Me cry me mic cry mo dia madawoma mo dia mami omuni bi nipa be brain bi. But omu ye very intelligent people out there with a lot of questions. While send your listeners
very
questions CBN and some EBA can make cry no me cry na see my dream. Very intelligent. Just so omu nya mic.
Sure.
Until unya mic na. As journalists, mu misa questions. Ni nyai sweeping statements, obi anyehwe. What do you mean by obi anyehwe? Have you asked? Your friend hydrological engineer. Are you a hydrological engineer? Prof, are you? Nah. Me, I'm not.
Okay, so
you have to ask.
Mami Nasi, Prince.
Yes, sir.
Imani, Africa, Franklin Kujo.
Yes, sir.
Eddie Adebi editor the Facebook wall, and it was on this Garrig project thing. You know, the Greater Accra Resilient and Integrated Development.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, project. Our Uncle Jis can be a free World Bank.
Yeah.
Now, between 2019 and 2024 administration, information according to Franklin Kujo, MPP draw $103.8 million from the World Bank loan of $350 million.
Okay.
Now, Obama breakdown as to he says that $22.1 million, representing 21% of the money, went into training.
Okay.
$7.9 million, that's 7%, was spent on consultancy. And at $60.8 million, that's 59%, the lion's share was diverted to COVID-19 related spending.
Okay.
And then 2% was used for other costs, largely the purchase of vehicles.
Okay.
And per his analysis, just about 11.4 million US dollars, barely 11% of the entire loan, was actually spent on flood prevention and mitigation works. And to say, I want to ask you.
Yes.
I want to ask you. Do you have the figures relating to the expenditure? And in spending part of the Garrig Sika free the World Bank $350 million. Do you have that fact?
I don't have those specifics.
Those specifics.
I have seen some detail on the project, and that's what made me a T4.
Okay, so what have you seen?
So, for example, one of the reports I've cited, says project, BB to say Odor dredging, commence under the project.
Sure, Odor dredging, Odor now.
Good. February 2024, and then according to the World Bank, project as slow, and IPCs have not been paid. Achimota Abofu drain, site handed over March 2024, meaning say handed over to contractor. Okay, Dr. Buzia Highway drain, signed and handed over 2024 on hold. Nima, Paloma, Odona, signed and handed over July 2024, stalled, contractor abandoned. Atomic detention ponds, designs completed, and procurement has stalled. Dome Bridge, procurement completed, contract still not awarded.
Okay.
Alajo Drain, designs almost complete, no progress. Flood early warning systems, fuse na mekano. Says equipment installed June 2024. It's ongoing. That's why I was saying, I was wondering. So what you say? How far a chief and I make a say, Prof. Jumano. I communicate about digital near my meeting details kakra because I am a sector.
All right.
Unsu a journalist. Where Jumano is all of us.
Sure.
You put us all together, you assess the right questions, hopefully. And all your colleagues should learn from you and people like you regardless of partisan feelings and you have a job. You have to be a top-notch professional. But ultimately, and ask the probing questions. We're talking about Garrett. Garrett, no Nanado team, they putting it together.
Sure.
When Nanado it take you over 2017, one of the first things, within 2-3 months, I think, of taking over March of 2017, and or convening a cabinet meeting, and one of the issues on the table was flooding. Okay, to set up a subcommittee. Minister for Works and Housing, the chair subcommittee, and almost commission study, because unfortunately, the previous government are handing over a comprehensive plan for them to follow. If they handed one over, please, NDC for by Bisaomo, if there was one. But according to cabinet report, they had to commission a study. And one of the outcomes of the study, there were two things. Say, funding for maintenance was poor. One. Two, we also had to realize, say, near 2015 and nipa 152 year, which was the biggest flooding disaster in our history. It's likely that something like that severe happen every 10 years.
Sure.
That's what the engineers told the government. And almost I can say, due to worsening global warming, we have to expect to say, in the future, storms are are likely to be more severe than before. In other words, we'll be facing more severe storms as the years and the decades go by. Prof. Pacho, that was the report. And almost 2 more. So you had to, and you're so sorry, I know, this work should have been done well before. But government will take you over. You are supposed to bring progress. And I'm a
sure.
You can't just say, we'll be yet. So they started the various studies. They also put money to emergency contingency plans. And Nanado put ultimately, about 550 million cedis was put towards the silting, anti-flooding activities. All these are documented. In fact, in the NDC, the current NDC's own 2025 budget, they talked about one of those programs, your friend, a National Flood Control Program.
Yeah.
And it's in the 2025 budget, page 99.
Okay.
I have read it. And it tells about works that were done, major works that were done in 2020, 2023, and 2024. And it included construction of nearly 47 kilometers of drains and excavation of more than 1,000 of earth drains. So what I say, we're talking about excavation, cleanup, and those things. So, say flooding has to do with to solve flooding. You have short-term measures because never many project and sana obey so to say, because the nature, you don't control nature. It can strike any time. So there is a need for maintenance and short-term efforts. I was so and our long-term efforts also. I no dear. Most times, and na politicians name pen so much because no no benefit today. So what I say,
benefits,
political benefits. Say, build it, drains, ponds, those things. Most times, crown chief, baby, I'll building on ground where you grow be a crown who's away. But ultimately, it's just like how Nanado too, whom I say, Ghana will do a debt exchange program. I say we earn $13 billion. NDC is enjoying. You show program and no more did yatem. SEN Yakoman for haircut. And so no, and ya no, and we are probably still under debt distress today.
Okay, so Prince.
And Tinyamani be wa to whoma. And then we are asking NDC say. Some of the your friend is saying dining beer. Unfortunately, I could do waterways near there. No, it was on bubu political costs. Just like MPP pay a huge political cost for the domestic aspect of the debt exchange program. So tia say enyo bia a debt and enyo bia fe say some of these things were done a sacrifice and people suffered. And we need to even find ways that you bet me restitute to them if possible. So tia say but these were measures had to be taken. Uko Senegal our president, no prime minister, are falling out mightily. I don't know if you follow Senegal, Kakra.
I have not followed.
Major issues, you should do that, Prof. Let's send all the time.
Yeah.
Let's send what is going on in Senegal. Because prime minister, the mentor of the president. The president is younger than the former prime minister. But baneno. Due to political issues, internal political issues, you ban a prime minister from running for president. So, into a far younger guy, a man, a mentor, no near the no be a president. It do actually no. Na omu mi no emu apai mainly because they have a debt situation. Omu here debt exchange program he be. And the prime minister said they can do without doing that IMF debt restructuring. And the president believes they have to do it. Then bounce no fire prime minister no any government nina. And then prime minister knows no control party na a day o president no or no prime minister nina ba power. Inti anche bia na omo ye obi resign here, speaker resign here. And na prime minister na yet no running for parliament be a speaker. Inti ono na sisi ono speaker also approving the next prime minister and the next government for the president. And it's basically stalemate. I say, they cannot agree on a way forward. And Senegal is sitting there right now in basically paralysis. In Ghana, the president, apparently contrary to even cabinet support, decided say the domestic aspect of the debt exchange program because without it, now I difficult see the external one. Because the external lenders were insisting, say Omunkwa cannot take the hit for the debt restructuring, which happened all over the place. And yet Ghana Nkwana debt restructuring because of the COVID and other things that happened. All I'm trying to say is say you want to and long-term projects such as you need for anti-flood activities often require investments unya immediate political benefit. But see anhwe na ya anya prof sa niema we no ye ne kakra wo hwe so called Garrett project here. Even the original program no was supposed to start from 2020 to 2025. Original. And COVID by 2025. Inti ebabe twintwan ya nemu for be a year or two. So what you say, and when you look at the fact they said the original was from 2020 to 2025, then that tells you say even when they had to rework it after COVID, it's going to go into beyond 2025. In other words, a multi-year project.
Prince, do you think this flooding issues are Afibia to mind Ghana no would detach politics from it?
You can't detach politics from it. You see, maybe I talk very straightforwardly. Maybe not so. Dabi minye A plus minti kasat say A plus. So that's not my style anyway. And mekasa emma a major political party.
Sure.
No, we have to be careful. You see, you're very empathetic. You su emma Ghana for, and then me fa baby ashama ho baby. Now wow she baby okwabranete enye nantwi prof. Now wo hwe since we talk kakra bi ka ho what will happen to them? Me fa honomu because of traffic and shortcut be and was me fa.
Yeah.
People don't have a choice, baby. Almost sometimes. But ultimately say, "Unya uba bitna na no to fie papa bi mo te bepo bi so a no adanyame ase." But enyo bia ne nyane sa. There are many people in the country. It's sign o man baby aye nrienti no. Enipa ho chi omo. So we empathize with them, and we want to do everything that we can. Send ye be ya ye be boa omo ama ensuo eto a emfa omo enyire nku omo. Imagine say yawo ene u parent etikios mo. Yawo ubetimi asori akoka so kwakotra your friend is saying himpo na memfa nya example ubetimi akotra kwabenya ho ba bi ubetimi akotra bepo bi so. You can't move. Ubeda kios mu ha. Our people have issues, and our abaine jumano is to lead. Right now, no abai we no the major issue I hear wanna say. Omubaye no. Unlike MPP government, metimi achiro what we were doing with the National Flood Control Program. Omu di ho dance here. Machiro ne On top of it, I've also told you about the fact to say government it too about 550 million cedis. Near the desilting and other maintenance to avoid. And under MPP, now I'm proud to say at least you avoid some of the biggest disasters that we had seen in
a solution to this yearly or annual flooding.
Okay, Prof, I'm saying question me answer in a year as I mean rank akra. But I get your point. Flooding, okay, any nature enye bibi a obetimi atra hanom aka say ye betimi ageti to a point a ebi nsibio enye possible, right? Ye tikra na ye say unlike America omunya hurricanes every year bia omo tutu ne din uti din na wa say hurricane na ne ho fa ama enya grow devastation I cause it uko Asian so omo typhoons. Yeah, had the way storms, so way tropical storms mponiye. But ultimately,
I don't think maybe so say.
Entino untimi mintimi metra hanomo en nada etiefo. Any ahwefo say e obi betimi amas flooding near e be insida. Any possible.
And I was say yeah man yourself frame.
Dabi. You see, I don't agree with that. At the same time, I'm saying say you can't stop flooding per se. But ye woniema bi anamo bi I was ye too. So that's why I'm saying, say, journalists have to continue to ask critical questions.
So asking the critical question all over these years, every year, biano, eba ni yejai. Na yejai ehokasa jise sutobre ebidu.
Prof.
Every year it has been with us. So what is the solution now?
Pacho, you see, eba flooding, there's human aspect. And I what engineering aspect. Engineering aspect, ye free bibi uko bibi to say New Orleans. Ewo America.
Yeah.
Omo building bibi a friend levees. Levees, you know, yet to say some defense walls be just almost describe a whole engineering architecture because a year below sea level. Pachoti say. And so no Hurricane Katrina was able to overcome the levees, the famous levees of New Orleans.
All right.
But ultimately, nature no a bit me do stage bia. We end there. But at least almost building this amazing engineering a year. Now Emma for so many years they protected New Orleans. But unfortunately, do baby no ibu fast.
So you see the reason why you must not play politics with issues of flooding?
I'm not saying it's not about playing politics. If we would play politics with it, you can't amanya patroti you. To me, a manual partner walk flooding issue. Say the government has to lead. Prof, I won't say that. I've already told you a Juma and another year. For example, the garage.
Well, the problem in the say, baby praise. The problem in the say, the problem in the say, why you Juma? And still, we are having the problem. So what is the solution?
Prof. I think so we're going back a bit. I already gave you Mama example about the levees of New Orleans. Okay. Nienti American levees of New Orleans. No. So levees, no. Amazing engineering works.
And so do baby.
It me do baby. Me very honest with you in my conversation. Sure. Okay, you know me.
I know you.
I want to speak very straightforwardly. So there is a certain level. It me bufaso. Pachotimasi. Right? We even have the famous story of Noah's Ark in the Bible. It's an example of ultimately say in so level na toy no just say we ya wo hwe sa enye yi. But we cannot just sit down and say you see we nyame force of nature. So to say the unfortunate words of one of the more respected ministers in this government, the interior minister, where he made this statement to say California no, we don't want to use those things as excuse. The real question I was see bisane say
all right, so
that's the question.
Let's take a listen to the interior minister. Once you've mentioned his name, just briefly, let's take a listen to him.
America is the richest country in the world, and one of its richest states is California. California state is the richest state in America. In fact, standing on its own, is the sixth largest economy in the world. Yet they had disaster and people lost their life. But they have all the money, they have all the measures. We are.
So what do you think of this statement emanating from the interior minister?
Statement we
yeah,
and yet empathetic enough. And it doesn't also, especially coming out of a senior official in the government, so it doesn't show enough sense of accountability. Because it's like, okay, it's America crash. I mean, better I'm a catcher.
What can America
Germany crash to me flooding. And I've also agreed to say, stop all flooding forever.
Forever in Ghana.
So what I say, it will never happen, unfortunately. However, what we need to be talking about is not say California krana or muska any adeno omutiminya flooding. What we need to hear from Papa we say omobaye no effort nanadu jai. Let's even say it wasn't enough.
Then almost omobaye.
Yes. And when I was a journalist bisakra because one of tisu says president a war opposition. The president is showing confusion.
President showing confusion.
Total confusion.
In what way?
There is an article. Made me read the actual. The confusion that the president is showing, which is rather unfortunate. And they say, or what opposition no? Or different things as the cause of flooding. Or by government imuno. Or a whole different thing as the cause of flooding. Let me read the article way. It was written by one.
Who?
Dominic Ufusu Frempong.
All right.
I'll forward this to you if I haven't already. Or say, why President Mahama appears consistently inconsistent on flooding. And may read just the first two paragraphs.
But remember what kind?
That's
But
okay.
the statement you are going to read out there from Dominic Ufusu Hene. I don't know.
Two quotes.
Or
two quotes.
Or two quotes.
So I'm going to give you the quotes.
All right, that's fine.
Let me give you the quotes.
Okay.
Okay. He's basically saying that the president said one thing in opposition and he's saying the opposite in government.
All right.
And that shows that he himself is confused. Or say, when he was in opposition, he said the following, and I quote.
Okay.
A new NDC government under my leadership. Hey, my battery na CCIA. For me, but let me assure me to me really weary.
All right.
A new NDC government under my leadership will not rest until we find an engineering solution to the persistent flooding and question the value of the $200 million Greater Accra Resilient Integrated Development Garrett project for not producing visible results. Then he gets into government. Just recently, said 2 months Accra in London, the same president, he said the flooding in Accra is not an engineering problem. It is just a problem of indiscipline. So which is which? President within 2 years, the man who has had the most experience of anybody to ascend to the seat of the presidency. He has been assemblyman, he has been an MP, he has been a deputy minister, he has even been a board chair of NCA. He has been a minister, a substantive minister. He has been vice president. He has been president. He has been a former president who returned as a president. And within a spate of about a year and a half, He tells us it's an engineering problem that his government is going to lead. He criticized President Akufo-Addo mercilessly. Even when there was flooding, he was politicizing it. Then he gets into government. And then now he says, it's no longer an engineering problem. How can we do that? Until the president now you're confused. Where are they leading? So they have to be answering questions, not telling us that California quite flooding. With all due respect, we know that already.
All right, so Prince, I want you to take a view of this particular picture that's on our screen. It's live on our Facebook. Prince, that's Accra, totally submerged. So, what to the SC or Ivory Coast, where we are told 59 lives were lost. Do you think, sir, back to that question, Accra must be relocated? Is you not talking?
I don't think, sir, going into this kind of relocation, these are all, to me, practical solutions.
So what
if you are asking for my opinion,
yes.
What I believe in say, I know, for example, I've been told, said there are some long-term plans. Ebitimiama Accra to Kufodia. Ebitimia take you 1 hour instead of 2 or more. There are other plans. Ebitimiama Babiti says Central Region, Eastern Region. Yebetimi ama networks, road networks near deno, yebetimi atremu ama people sprawl na yehu Accra na ha no congestion near deno. Ebetimi abafom. That's, to me, it's more practical, Prof. Oh yeah, no. And no so betimi aboa ame minimize some of the encroachment into areas. They say Achimota Forest and other areas are. Yes, we need them for reducing flooding. Accra. Me feel say no more practical. You know, the same president, be previously also called build the Hope City. No money ade. Masa. The Sultan Krano. They form a whole committee. The committee is headed by a deputy chief of staff.
Stand away.
Who is a PR person. That's how serious the president take the flooding matter. A PR, with all due respect, person, any leading anti-flooding effort.
Is the chairman of the flooding committee.
And leading cabinet ministers, which some people are even saying, say, in the technical scheme of things, it's not proper. So, Tiasi, where report will be?
I've not
so why are the journalists not holding? That's why people are saying, say, the media is beholden to the government, because these are serious questions. Let's even assume say MPP by Oma Nyeshi. I've told you near MPP, I don't need to keep going back and back and back. They handed over the most elaborate garage project in our history. It has 40 projects, according to those who are involved, like Honorable Henry Korte, Honorable Kojo Opon Kroma. They have briefed us, and they told us that there were about 40 ongoing projects at different stages. Some of them had started. I read some to you. The World Bank is involved. There had also been a Gamma project from 2013. So, Tiasi, all these projects, we need to be asking questions, how far? The World Bank has put out a report that says, the Ministry of Finance is delaying funding for the project. Do you know, the 350 million, this propaganda MPP for this cano. $350 million. Do you know that more than half is
World Bank for
ready for disbursement when the processes have gone through. World Bank will be on the World Bank ideally so say they are very strict with their processes. World Bank is Omo ekika san same way because they know the average person in a public don't know these details. Me okasa same way chemia atemdidie keke na medu because I know how World Bank projects work. But ultimately, you have to go through proper processes, move it. Right now, they are saying that the government has put impediments in the way of getting the project going. And the project performance, Omar Retino, unsatisfactory.
All right, so the World Bank Implementation Status Report, June 2025, puts the cumulative disbursement at $127.1 US dollars. $127.1 million US dollars.
Project amount in
350 million
okay.
US
Into what was my kind of crash?
Oh, yeah, no crime.
The 150 additional component they be home because of scope changes before MPP be fear no. That $150 million no, they have access zero of it and people are dying. Mosi yenka yemfa amanyo semum rem. Prof ne yemfa DNA rem. Uti hey ubetimi akoje seska no. Prof ubetimi akosine agiseska no.
You can never.
It's not your job. Anameboa.
Baby, untimi nye.
Hwan adwuma?
The finance minister.
So they need to get to work. And MPP for Anyari. Oh, free so 2015. And then Nipa, we were talking about Ivory Coast, say Nipa in 30 something. And
59.
2015, Nipa in a way.
152.
So, ye oboba. NS chemist ni nua ba ko we na na me offer e ka chemis ni nua ba ko e was store in so far no that day ba ko it was saved because no ni madware e no timi dware ye slip through nya san kono so enka e de ne koye but ultimately nobody is safe ubetimi atna the safest place, the safest house e bia nsuo no e beto no na wo hyeka mu e hye circle ana baby a flush you can say flood prone e betimi ni wako papa no almost ka omo abobra meboa omti aye omo efie ebi ofie and so no she store.
Okay, so just to help you on the delay on the implementation of the Garrick project, according to the World Bank's report, it says that the World Bank has blamed fiscal controls introduced by the Ministry of Finance for significantly delaying implementation of Garrick, downgrading the project's implementation performance to moderately unsatisfactory in its May 2026 report, and citing persistent funding constraint despite the project remaining fully financed. So the outcome,
questions have to be asked. They have to answer questions.
Why the delay?
Why the delay? These are the things that also journalists no equalization.
We need to find
out. We need those things.
What kind of physical controls are such that it is delaying the payment of a year 1 year I know, sir. Projects any contract contractors they need to scrutinize before payment is made. But I believe it's as a result of that when
it happens Samra boy SCC omo galamsey asanya chassis gidi on the rivers
Samra boy
and also na Erastus ediaba out
galamsey
asanya chassis on the tunnel
river Ghana for ya dwene we here
Abino is helpless. The government is helpless. I'm telling you, because you see, and they are on Accra FM. Me, I'm in Crawford. I go there every week, just like here. So these are the two stations I make power more than anywhere.
Yeah.
And next show, I was just listening to, because afterwards, and I always review the show.
Yeah.
Me reviewed. NDC are criticizing the government to say, call baby, apparently the PRO for the Minerals Commission. So call Abrim.
Oka delay them.
Yes, delay them.
Yeah.
Abrim, SA NDC youth organizer. Ye galamse ni ade. SA chese bayaba. Meanwhile, no, ye want to me. And a court. Has this youth organizer been arrested? That was the question immediately about my dream. So the government is just practicing the selective justice na yekano. There is no seriousness on Galamsey. There is no seriousness on flooding. So omo ye serious and omo ye omo juma since omo baya. They should tell us. With all due respect, this idea say MPP should shut up because for 8 years he solve Galamsey. NDC Eddie on my way so at least between PNDC and NDC. Oma di oma so twice as much as MPP. Oma solve galamsey problem. Oma solve flooding issue. But I was here quite. You can't tell me say MPP by recently 8 years. Who so 2015 no? Even after the disaster, unprecedented disaster of 2015, went me and nanado comprehensive plan mpo. Wabano wabebi. Now what me a movie projects be. Now what ono so in short term maintenance near de na nyame adaroma yenya some of these really bad flooding. So ono wabebi ko anameboa. We'll hand it over to you. You can't even tell us what you have been doing since they came. Committee aya for me. We still have not gotten any update as to what government efforts have been. Prof, may try some demand. All I'm trying to say is that Miss Sermon, a T4. Me mama trahanum country say flooding ain't mean see that. Me mama didn't trunch or say you beat me a bema. A flood in Sigana Bio, and no crack. But near me to me a catcher on say, a buying has a serious responsibility. So, why I may acquire him. Now you put in place measures, sir. Se flooding in Pobe Hapena. I know bedding, ebe kofo. And to say, to come, now your mouth seat belt, now your mouth airbag. It will more airbag, no, first no more airbag, no, near Owenim, and qua. Cast ni be do baby ye say ye decide and so they are then account anameboa so ye koyanim anameboa e wo mu a me say bedu baby no plane mahu simulations be a o maye plane a e bedu baby no plane no say enya engine ne say ya capsule nipa na baby nipa ne tini nyina no e betimi etu to say
I have
parachute
seen,
have you seen that one enti no in other words no ye kokoyanim. All we are asking government is, Master, don't come in and tell us an MPP in a way, one of the ministers, respected ministers like Haruna, is on record saying, say, MPP and Timian solve flood in 8 years. They cannot solve flooding in 2 years. What kind of statement is that?
I saw this.
So unfortunate, so unexpected from Haruna. Unexpected, unacceptable. Because you know why? MPP and Timian solve, nobody can even solve all the flood problems. That. But ye free one say ujaf mobile ni ye di mono. Don't tell people ya nyehe and no cre e yentro. Secondly, tell us say ni di no how far. She World Bank report on the about Ministry of Finance e bon kwasa. Ena omodi si ho. Na se flood ne ba nanka ye betimi akoakoye nimu be say 2 times where we are. Na mo anya. And he said, you hold you accountable. And why would journalists even say, I ma yemfa manyo semuma? Now why the yemfa koye? Even when we talk about things like indiscipline, Prof. Indiscipline na ye kano. Okay? Me tihoyi. Me nim se me kitade. Se ma trouble training ade. I know me culture mu no. Me intimi mfa ade na ma to atwene anyhow.
Sure.
I won't do it. And so be ye na okosi dan si baby ni so osi. Ni ehwe no. Na se nsuo ni to. Na se eyiria. Na minyina baby pa na famia. And it may happen.
It may happen. It may see.
And do you want your president to tell you, say, hey, indiscipline, you know, too bad? Is that right? But ultimately, so indiscipline, no crana ekano. Abide what responsibility in it. So be si dying, no sin the wrong place. Pamacho, mama yen koye nimuni yen shese. Ye be putting in measures. Emma dino crano, unsi yempo, any a stop no. Because that's can also a year wasting and also hard you Prof.
And
a me si dying near day almost here and don't tell us MPP for Anya Henry. President Mahaman's or your honey. On your president that. You see, so we don't need near Koyechi. No, we need to move forward. Near yetimi ye ya making progress, not to say Garrett near deno. Ye moho buying na yen konkoye nim. Na ye nyai excuses no. Say assembly for be and akoma permit baby any so mama Prof I was say your day. Say was say a choma so. Send a beya next time no assembly ni bi ana engineer bi ema permit obedwen ho mienu miensa ana meboa
No correct.
okay say enkrofo bi na asisi dan asi baabie ni sesi a e wo say aban di ho dwuma but you see more importantly no we need to put in measures ebedu baabi no edan no crowd wuntimi nsimpo ene yakobu no pachote ase we already talked about say yenhwe na road networks around Accra no me feel say eno no so beboa because yetimi ma kofodua etimi eye shorter prof yakoko yanimo ye make progress Dr. President Kufuor before President Kufuor beba amemu me I came in and saw the major project ano ye 2006 me na wu 2000 ewo bri me fa so ekoto RTB ewo ho na me wa brochi but na me mabagana
No Bagana.
I saw it with my naked eye
And you know,
Kufuor a transform ya bri me boa
just like government wants to transform the road
Make
from
it happy.
Accra to Kumasi by making it 6
Chief.
lanes.
Yes, in Sawam de Pokwase, we have motorway, projects. Ni nyina ekọ nanim. When we are,
I'm talking about the express highway.
that way I don't want to go there because
Are
no mean to me misguided.
The express highway.
Yes.
I am misguided.
So kofa Pokwase in Sawamu a. Te se na amafasu. A bomb me cut severally. Ebu me shocks. Ebu me front bumper. Ma a car mabo.
Or links.
Your friend is saying me a normal friend is saying boy.
Links, Nana.
But changing in na. O faso. Nano me ko faso se masan just.
But as someone may say and say, a quite now one more a gusuko tare we no, or mine asphalt we are, or more the markings at to swano. Even say a quanos baby yet to. I don't know how true is it.
I will
Pokwase Ediano.
Chief. Me
I need to go and find out myself.
about a year ago or so, until about a year ago near then I mean faso. Na me fa abri and the call Eastern region.
Yeah.
You know me for Eastern region to me call often. And I feel they do baby now ye better. They say a year worse than before. Into my sign fa. Because me bo kadodo. To say a bri bi na me sign fa. So e wo mu anso e bi wa fa Kufuor depending where in Eastern region are where they all until Baba catch them and say expressway ne big loot yeah omo ye ne big omo friend is saying a big loot and omo friend
big
push.
A big push
and it's man ye ni here and sunny I fata it's misguided. I don't agree with it. The same thing with a 24-hour market and matisa o kan wasem ye ntwa ade o krom ha. And only one of the biggest problem I face you other than flooding and maybe LGBTQ and the other one galamsey. Yento idea was make building more markets.
What are the pressing needs of Ghanaians?
Oh, the flooding is very dangerous.
Flooding issue, no.
I bet very dangerous.
So you
to me, it's number one. Number two, galamsey. Because existential threat. Number three for me has now become the economy. That's how I will rate them. But you see, flooding here, they know a very dangerous. Meaning, typhoons, have you ever recorded typhoon in Ghana?
There be.
Aye, name who hurricanes. US. A year who brutal.
Sir.
Aye, Prof. And none from ma. And the two dying so no. It me too. And I want whom a yin soda tsunami.
Tsunami dear make I say Japan dear no
Aceh. Philippines ho baby.
Yeah.
And just some ketwa. There are things more scary than this. So we a tropical storm. Tropical storm chese nsuo no na ato. And na adidi form na chese yen mu no yen hwe ye niam yi yen titi gata mu yi ni ade. And ye di agro and na amana ye. But there are some natural disasters, chief. Enti typhoon baako esi krom ha ye wawe. Enti no bia anti ase say we nye partisan issue per se. Pachotie ni you. Me pache say ma ye nye politics keke. Ti say ni ana ebinumu year 2024 ni ade no me ba me ye say and a flooding no. But we have to hold government accountable for your projects. I be boying short term. gata mu tete aban no fa nipa whatever we need to do musuma koyi zoom lion please make sure say who alternatives are effective because nipa no we are untimi fa number back to life but what I say also be changes it should be better changes reset should be better not worse but what I say
but office some reset na worse
IDC 24-hour markets ayento ade dada yento ade osimi ko see more markets na ye the washroom beba why ready for how many times kroma ye sane e culture te no oba no wakogina washroom wo ayi market osimi ko dware
that say see wo Ghana ha
we hemfa
now call a friend say VIP bus terminal hokra see uko ankran market ra am for private places of convenience am for ko dware me nim say me tu kwan every year techiman na me ba Accra na ma bedu ahomache a bus ne begina Linda doa etime ko dware na esiesie ho etu bedu Accra na che so ba ko de that's why we
abrochi enten dware anywhere sir me mom de me ni sa experience no enti meti na me wan waye okay but waka mate ebi mutimi dware ewo adwomu ni ade
ba fo dware na
no problem but the bottom line is say government ne priorities no so ti ase as a dollar nkwani here on statistics meanwhile no so kra ye timu ye nto ade yi ensuo eyirifayen projects was omudi hudwuma omudi di agro teachers omuntu omuka cocoa farmers omuntu omuka yi nurses ya dada automatic posting automatic posting for teachers all over the place government ya dada nkrofosa and as they say even on flooding abai we catch so omo be reset mo ba ya no mabeda ye bisa mo amo say was ye blame nanado meanwhile blasters ko ball ba ko pe ai wini ye de yes ye mo yensema president Mahama aban papa ba me ayi qualifying so ye sha say MPP mreso me boa enti no the MPP have nothing to do with it aban papa and abana blasters ye wini aban papa enso ba ye kolususu dia obehun say ye mpese what kind of
ye Saturday na ye hwe di ye besi se Ghana lusu a me pese betie abanfo enkomo se obeka se aban papa ba da se Ghana wene so a me pese metie die eye wo manfo ebeka Prince
Prof
so akasa so giant wa ha
enti me twa so ha all I'm saying is say yen hold the journalists especially also omoma yehu omadwuma ni yie omo bisa critical questions
sure
questions I amanfo timi sua de this whole idea so obi anya hwe ni ade no nya na sebi nyansa bia anim aban be na betra aban mu for 8 years omo nya hwe about flooding so oni ye propaganda yes ani ye too cheap so what you say rather than journalists saying so obi anya hwe ni ade no ye misa se de na oye ye misa aban we nso so ba no since ubaba take over no at the end why
now Ministry of Finance releases 350 million Ghana cedis for flood relief
you see program ba problem ne ba ne aye reactionary na ye release sika so it's not right yes ye hia se ye bebo ankrofo but mo am wo hoi mo am gidi se sika ye beko ba bia wo se ekode Ghana for gidi
adena eye wa adwen sa
na last time anya agoblushi market and sedinam ediwia 90 million
is it Kantamanto agoglushi
menkai Kantamanto sorry
Kantamanto
a market fire meboa eno odiwia 90 million wa fa free nipa bako
odiwia 90 million
ya convicted no
odiwia 90 million
ya convicted no
I know say she's been convicted but you can't be straightforward with the figure say we are 90 million that one you can see
Prof me can say
bia through that friend is managing that situation the scabby finance
Prof believe so we are more diplomatic than me well done but however no Ghana for and said that ni say so releases way and they are in the right place
I didn't want kasana wa dream the releases were hin ebesi
me trust you
won't trust you
trust you
this government or previous government every releases be eba
men trust sa ayi assemble na release no eno na emwaye no eno na nanado try to avoid enti no ne fund na o set up no na ye yearly fund ayede ye adwuma yede ye adwuma wie mo ama record wo mo budget mo buy na mo asan turn around to mfuturo gu nkrofo ani say sika no anya adwuma.
But funds, Mamin Chow said it has been transferred into a dedicated National Disaster Management Committee account to finance the government's National Emergency Flood Response Program.
Journalists, munya mojuma na monhwe hawa.
Because when they were saying na ye di DH.
Mo was money ekwachire edi so na monhwe say ebeko baabi e wo say kwa.
And of course, there must be an accountability to that effect because so when you're they should let us know. But I know, sir, the Auditor General would be monitoring this particular disbursement.
We hope so. But in here, planning yes, I release after incidents. Here, say a no baby.
Be proactive, not reactionary.
Set up a good funding. He didn't do it in 2015, 2016. While my comprehensive plan, Ubia yes, I set up programs and making sure see a be mitigated flood. What criticizing us on ye? What be dra? Sikano krana e dahona munyer mohuna munyen in terminal project in Nkona Nimino.
But praise say answer now because a breakdown of the 350 million no. Sure. What would you say 200 million Ghana cedis and no what would the for emergency humanitarian assistance one more watch no so 200 million Ghana cedis you know me more one would be share one more watch and the remaining 150 million no a idea one would be a project ebe buama aye insuyire no aba for man say etuetwa
prof omunye adwuma na omun communicate amaye nyina ye hu adwuma a omo ye ni ame metimi abisa no ebisa bi mo resign ne ade ndc for omo rema omo microphone resign aye omo masem
I don't be a resign ana
no at least and me NDC for be criticizes a committee now almost set up and they should resign there. Yeah, they better say no mumu mind. But they should bring progress. Omuma yin Garrett. People ebi mutimi ka bibi say Garrett no kra na ya anya hwe ni ade. Me pa mo chow report ni nyina wo ho prof. Say Garrett no ponds na almost so mo building. Eni ho a omo kan kire yen. Abaya take over. Ya handing over. Ya ma handing over report. But your ultimacy. Omo ye involved no. Baby aye adwuma no. Baby aye designate. Plans are almost ye procurement plans are wo ho ne ade. They know. If new government in ba no so MPP for say pond be omo ye no wo atomic. And so you're quite the pond to be any woman can train you. But just saying it, say bibia happen no, and yet acceptable. Journalists shouldn't accept this. It was Mubisa say project no, how far in here Yempesi World Bank be catch say mu delay because California crying your problems in TNS your problem. No mu delay. Prof, is it no acceptable? Is that acceptable?
But if you are Muslim, before move here, I'm a woman. Never be a muye contract be a modemaye. Na I was a buying triaka. I buy so we answer with Triamuka.
Prof,
and no, I am from so.
For how long? World Bank now, omo lead omo project no. So why a World Bank project that? You understand? Say World Bank no omo projects no cry no any procurement omo ne control. Enti dia na MPP ya Muslim pay. Which one? Tell us. Because people cannot afford so be delay. And who delay? Nani pewu, nen so ne yemo, ni e babeka o se mayenka manyo. Is that okay? Prof. World Bank na emu sumu twintwan o ma na emu. World Bank, enya me na me kan. Enya MPP for na kan. Enti World Bank sumu twintwan o ma na emu, mu delay. Nom ne ade. Munyai sadie no na project ni movie so mo nyai a ye beka
but say fiscal control so necessary
bacho if opeso omunye fiscal control for the next 4 years catch her with TFO prof we dey nyame na catch me if you want them to for how long no be fiscal controls anti say reset no ebe take say 2 years so say 3 years for fiscal controls there well omon kan kire Ghana for
Prince Mamenas self by thank you so much. When we come back, I'll be picking up your calls. I'll be having a conversation with you. This time around, I'm giving you the time to have your views known. There will you know about Ghana for Betty on SOMPA 106.5 FM. You're dying Wabasisia.
Munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa, what about to be a new? Se me feel London, eko US. Na no kra wo kra from me bo mamania. Na papa mo hot say. Awurade aduma haboko. Na kujejesi, eko bo simpene mo. De woton adansi ho niam no so. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Eko ba, mesi wo bo aduma kra sre kane no a. Na wodru US won so manfo bo ndin sa na. Papa US hakura de. Na kujejesi company limited agi ba bia. One Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adensi ho niam dia. Obia se na kujejesi company limited. Na matese wo bi depo kesie bi e wakasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adensi ho niam. Na eye no kura papa. No kura pa. A police station in Chenhua. Akuo ba sempre mo no. Onye mereda. Hwe, we kura no miensam nua e na obi en foforo yawo. Ba ko abu akwase paase kumase. E ba ko so pokura se nkran ha. Obi ase na kodogesi eye bemaba e wa dansi mu. Auto cement, iron rods, banding wires, and adua plywood and just said about dance roll. To say bibia e de hye e dansi ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina so eye tufo bo. Wudu kuka mu a, wo ko ja free. Akra wuyi ka so depo ene pokrasi de no kra to nchen a wo sa wo bu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City amanfrom wo sa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebi so magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwu Accra road Femeso opposite Alhaji Salia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrum. Numbers of man for the free 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 93. Nana Kujejesi Company Limited.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Onyakupundi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon Wadepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra Australia Sasisia. A bro Nyankupon Kasa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And SOMPA First Service in Chawo Hum Hoda, a Yagada Kusi, a Fiada Anopa, Anopano Nunkusi, Anopanusia. Fawudani na Sheradensa, na Erade Beye.
Hatia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese word na kese party akese se mu pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi e twa nani a Hatia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi enye ni bisa dabi Hagia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo motena se no wo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hagia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyi Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hagia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 and answer 05947972115 05947972115 for not with them 21st clinic sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu woje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo magye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nko wo mu die bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magye din wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso wo de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert. Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
Hey, you're hot. Just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky. Dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more muto dokono montin so. Eno no mutu etono. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wo ho a. Wo die frey. Na ye customize the amount. Se de wusi penny bia. Protein opese ye de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky, and noa, and ye deserve ya wahu, just bakery, and what me commercial bank in Chenwa, and to fraying, and was 02560688832. Now, young customize your orders in the mount, never said what was said, they will say pen pepe. Just hot kinky,
just hot kinky,
and ye hot.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, ne SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Onyankopon di fa wastra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsa so ama Onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Ma SOMPA First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda no nyina share radensa. Na erade beye.
All right, so SOMPA 106.5 FM for What and Country, exactly 20 minutes more to 5. Now we want to really assess the extent of the problem live here. So now, Yebisa will say, in how bang now famo. I've asked you to send me voice notes, and of course, videos and pictures of a year or how a year so yiri ni baye. Na yese bisa se why na here aye mmoa se uhia mmoa fraying I was 0260 196064 0260 196065 yebema kwan ama wode wo momo number atudwa account bia kuma na obeboa on your narration of your story na waboa and the numbers to call now 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me bacho di one minute
from Kantaman to Accra, Ghana.
Okay, Orebon, Mamintie way.
Me bacho they are affected. Yeah, it's where you are fine. But you can video the minimum send it. Me the man offer send the send it. And you are down, remember,
Orebon. Who's who nim Sunday?
Oh, Papa, I didn't mean to make it minimum. I know that. And so, the buyer asked me the money, you know, inform me, you know, I say, and the reform back. And I'm the African and Yadum, much better room. I mean, Chairman, but there be Nyabutre. Mema watch ya, Nyabutre, na ninkomo.
na usi phone no ye mienu bako asai na bako peda ka woda
na bi kita phone
our phones
aha nti mienu na ekita me aja me ma jo bi ko kuru ne nso na 20 ana mienu na me di gu hode ya mutu me ba me mpa ekensu ani na yi TV mienu ekensu ani nti bi dan mu de nya so mi pu kaswa hunting
sa
me na da opa me mama adwa abajekasa
Debi enya adwa bi ambeje nkasa na asama wo ka no eyade ayegidi that is why anka yepese enya videos no any pictures no na ye da tudwa na amanfo hu the extent of the damage so yiri no akoso ba mama mbisa wo na se obi pese oye wo moa number ben pa na onfa moa no mfa so
pepa chao awodo kantamanto enso yiri me o ka se ye memoa the number ni anyone in the WhatsApp number 059 71 91 804
umomo number no
if I don't be na go to be so ba so straight
antino udan say
oh papa I make us say me so interest na I dey make me try and me read them I say na mapeja we dey be see abanti na say na ko ba dia me hata na temu ani ma me we TV na o ma so a na me ni fie
okay all right antino it is safa number no to dwa
o ba ta number no eni o go kantama the number ni 059 71 91 804 the number no
all right mami now I say ana chani pa be mienu bi na obi gine chire wa
wa kaja ko national chairman papa ba bibia obi na mi chira papa wa na woko ana greater Accra woman of Mensa na mi aposho usu mami no big papa na bi first chairman na mi chira papa me do be see am obi
me da say hello good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me ba to wana me ne ka say. Okay, Samson Nyamiche Kantamantu. Na ensure na to ye no. Uniama bi say ana.
But
we are sure say uniama say. Niama ben ni niama ben na say.
Me meet me some people say na my head aka say me David. And he say you know be mo watch no ma e ade a ha je papa a me so me ka ho bi. Yeah, one is about the Bamblos, Obi Mobia, or become no crack show, the Bamblos. The masters in the chief in the freezing in Nina, and she come in our say. In the same way, I didn't know to be a say, and I have my pa. Bad Muntalens and man, the man, the army counters and your man.
Yeah. And you know, as someone who catch a chief for Sicilia, 1 year betting a young one. If you said the Oka Siciano, a better not to Macuma Swama Boana.
Oh, we did it to Mamma Boaming. And I said, oh, the new message, and I'm my name. You never getting a boy with you, then they were how big they are playing.
Okay.
Oh, dear, so I say.
Okay, now umomo number ye denga.
Umomo number 0247 64 18 23. That's right.
Now what was Sunday obis ya wo moa. Edin be na reba.
But the year by
Samson Mante.
Yeah.
You better was say pass by. But wow, ofra. You expect say one kasa de kebibi man to. Ayo bia obetimi aboa wo. Akoma so. Eno na expect say obeka. Ma me ne ofra ni ndi nkomo. Hello. Hello, but one minute na ka say. Hello. Mayor, now do the do. My members are saying, "Sure, to it is sense, and can wo."
Yeah, I'm coming.
Na say no yenye denga aso man.
Prof.
Yes.
And what submission of the man, we do ya jinkra, the slow Daruma.
One wine ya drink.
MPP in the tower.
Me patron me that say. I think this your view has been reoccurring on this particular show. It's welcome.
Oh.
But it is out of them that would get the information to also make you know who they are. It's for that reason why you take up the decision. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, me patron one minute kasi. Collins, me da say, Emma Aqua Baba Juwedi so. Me jiri pise ubi bian say.
Me tida, Prof. Minya kasa wa mother wa father. Aw ye juma wo mo sita station. Yes, me TV. Ya, o be share. And you see it, so see, me sending a bimawa.
Me pacho enye line we su na me kan ye line a me di two jan 0249 77 79 hey me pacho 0249 77 79 7 near 5
okay.
It is send the fafa so na mama mi say no ohawa ato Ghana mine no say no den na e was ye as o mine.
Hello.
Yes, yet you.
Say ye betimi aye ni say o go check e na obi bi owo asasi we so. What we say president Mahama to take the
350 million Ghana cedis. Okay, 300 million. But the information we are having from the finance ministry, 350 million Ghana cedis has been released into the National Disaster Management Committee account.
No, 200. Fine, what is the
yeah.
Can you put those who money per year saying, living near America, make sure that you one mother, one father, who may share the fridge, the freezer, may put a number. And soon you for order. I'm a mole walking down. And soon you for order. When you're the first time, that is me television. I'm a million years complete. Don't study. Or no, be of idea, but me, you may know apart from Syria, therefore, by it's media. Aquina, the General President Mahama need to be for them. The view of your citizen, you was that log, and was a issue. I mean, that solution. Because it means the club is to do here, and oh, they could be because you don't think that the big guy it's really and I stop working also. And you will ma, almost the able, or we sit there with most of the BIDC, and yet we are got to work. They didn't go to look for top things, and they show me who got drop. I say, I said before, I bet you, as you know, one I bet you, software, final warning. I never see who could do anything. After we came back, we are self professing about the dinner. Oh, Ghana.
All right, I didn't me bacho niano. So be faso ye no moa. Number bena moa no o metimi da faso in terms of mom.
0243
0243 0243 98 27 15
yes.
You mami and now was say na obi one nam edimbe ne beba
Etino Ebeba
Emmanuel Odro.
I mean to call it Odro. It's not the Emmanuel Odro.
All right, mami na say hello, good evening. Hello, but original line or so. All right, sir Onyanya ready. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Uncle.
Yeah, me bacho udini baby akasa free.
Elias.
Elliot baby say that. That's a Elliot in your toy idea. So I'm foul and I foul.
Oh, me na the via more the film.
Monsieur man.
Then but no slow.
What's proposal? And Elliot, what should be the way forward for Mother Ghana in flood management?
As I say, you have people mountains. Solution ebe fani say. Ye engineers no omujuma ni say. Omuni mujuma na omuni mujuma. That solution ebe fani say me say na more coordinators. But be able to sit down a lockdown. Mububu because example the base hon. Hon Reverend Kokwado amune MP. Asana MC allocating wapo. Minya every time no ombebu dan bebre so ombe got amai. Omunyaye. Omunyaye. Until you so about Reverend Kokwado MP for block my way. Because as I said got anu akamu here. Me did say so be because of for them of the base hon. I'm told the fact because now me tell you this almost 30 something years and know the association. If someone has to see, they say I will wait because maybe I move to Bola. It's a very dangerous. Because you say if a papa down or Bojuma pa, but you say NTC, MC this you know, maybe I'll be sit down because and then we see social media. Oba, Ibabaku, two, because we the straight NDC of mine. Mubu die a da a baby and super fan. Mubu another simple because scanning NDC spending what this issue when easy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, you better say so bye. Let me talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah. Yeah, me about one I'm in the say.
Eben, I make say.
Eben, now what to say?
I don't know if me hunkai. Ni bra na ni waka ba me find kiga because or ma me content.
All right, that's fine.
Or ma me content.
Actually, Eben, what should be the way forward?
Let's say the way forward, me say. The way forward, me say, I'm buying a dinner nice you. Now, we human face me in twin chain. And then be I block waterways. Yeah, demolition. Because you know, me found the offer a woeful on the side. Now, if you could be now do the traffic, no. Now, far, don't make one car bridge you are. Oh, a do could pierce that stretch now to me the traffic ever game panel.
Yeah.
Now, you were drains get said woman, yeah, we could go pierce some before.
Yeah.
And Sakwan or my or crown, which will be a sedan, some story building white this year, which means she got that way and cut. And so in channels will be so about a feeling. I know that bend the drain. If it's also a cat, you can't look because I can't be a piano. 4x4 BCO. Sakwan on the piano, can't be a dream. In Kenya, they can aka because I feel no palm out to the white paper. You can make them singing for this. I also I want to follow with Honorable Ladia Winnie. who can't quit enough. And you know, yes, it's a message. You should have massive demolition.
Massive demolition.
Yes, because what can you say? Danny the Bresi, Essi, Via, and Sam Fata. So I got it. Into Mestre, my fine and Diagro. Number two. Number two, Mestre Monpenny on tax all the MMCs. In especially Greater Accra. Almost 3 months. So MC Dia went near there and near dumping side that only MC maybe.
Okay.
Because I want to tell you.
Me too, pa.
Say it's your mind Ghana. You were private entity. He said just pond. It's near any dumping site.
Adentina me and me ga is MC bet na ka tell you say you need dumping site.
Na say mebo nsase na wo ye de be dumping sites ni nyina no. Ayade a wo ma tonton ni nyina. Nti dumping sites no ehifa na ye benya no. Meti opa Elliot. Eben kwabenya. Okay, that's fine.
Domi kwabenya yeti, gainsa yeti. Me nti me kan kire me say so catch your man penin say ye pass ase the landowners in Domi kwabenya na gainsa ye nye bi dumping site. It is never true. Now say private entity maybe just for capacity be no to compare to a whole Ghanese entity or man sianem. Me say currently unim ni abine to me yes who prof or sister adane wo me yiri doris. So adane me yiri doris say wo anande boa.
Yet you.
Ababit no ye bibia. Inti me sra by because me ye you. Say a whole just for private entity taking more dumping site. Ono nyaka when the thought are dumping site. Bind to me to dumping site. So let me tell you I said, we government need Yagro. Because the Corona, me who are me as a Ghanaian. The real and then the Borough Parliament and the whole Parliament and Gazao, they did it there. Why?
Wow.
Why should it be so? And I'm seeing them because since I'm what I do, I go around and do this. Every deteriorating area, I take a shot and send it to the authority. Now, a home of legislation. Now, what crime? Because this is state protocol. Oh, Charlie, it is an airman who reported income.
Some of the shots, we take, you know, some of the shots, you know, you make it available through us. Bakacha will say number, mupasa mudi video no fast sort of 0249 77 Ubo 0249 now wabo 7 mako 5 now aside the 9 chatro and to Uber to me the videos and pictures of state properties are SA Ediafao and of course yes ensure a yirify yen so all videos and pictures be out Uber to me the first number no we'll show it to our public via our Facebook mamina so why okay. Hello.
ABOTCHIE.
Yes. Me bacho whining.
Me bacho Juma Paul me.
Paul St. John's. Yeah, that's Sima Kwaba. Paul, my you.
Kaka mechanic. You see dan bubu. And you say kaka nishi dining na ke bubu. So ni yiri fa ho nyina. Uni me de ma Ghana ye ho kire.
Denga.
Aban ka sembi. Na de me de fa. Wo so be plastic nim. Wo so water no, and bottle no. Every me choku gatas no. So you paper okay that one there one week and you na be pro so to bet me am bet me o chest bottle so me share ade bi wo taifa so ni to me dey me so ni sugaria you see what connection is me nsuro you bet dia me nsuro bet me ginam and na me share ka fa obi aka me yi no but I want the am fa obi a na me gina da bi share that bottle you know bottle no
yeah
am gina ya put wa kana bontre no but street now local. I say local and a tenny, banana tenny, but I see gatana.
Wow.
It is a bank will be here. Yes, Serrano. Also, the big plastic in him. Okay. Woman in the paper. And now, schools is so. Oh, bien, swimming cat at the Siano. That's a swimming cat. That's why missing the man in a material cigario.
Yeah.
Metana Kurasi. The driver of your. But you say, so you said, Diakora, Samikako camera, income. It's electric room, and the victim of Kumia.
That somewhere, because our banker say, I have plastics over banning, no. But what banner, yeah, no pure water on your bedding.
Men are catching.
Ensure you have a good paper.
Only to me, paper be asset. Men are catching.
Ensure you have a good paper.
Only to me, paper be asset. You be with my pro. And I have to say, don't see more at the end. You my pro. And I have to say, don't see more at the end. Yeah, no, sir, but why and the circle, but it's a ensure by a bingo.
Acquire plastic.
Yeah.
Satan, I'm making the paper, yeah. Yanyan, sir, and so that would have you can't allow you.
Yeah.
And so, never can in plastic, you know. And then she also said, the big thing is a buffer.
Okay.
The buffer is not enough for what you care for. I said, buffer, but you're a bit mapper. It is a bank will be here somewhere, and you look at me to answer what you. And then yes, you could move it a plastic and maybe my studies are another.
Mammy Nasi. Namison Cow. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Abuchi.
Yeah, me about 1 minute, I say.
I have never got Abuchi now, Abuchiana.
I mean, the Koblabuchi.
Abuchi, and I'm going to come in for and also giving them another.
All right, you better say. Now, is your toy an affected one?
Maybe I'm coming. That's my number for no bush of moving wide.
I can't.
If you're coming.
You
remember the can't here. Not out so.
No cream.
In the next then, say, former MC, a friend by Shin Kama, our gas central. What does it? The Dr. Kushi also, the former MP also, the owner. I hope maybe, what you need also. I had been, it was a honor. Come on, fans will be all. Now come to America, cinema the next year, that they go 7 soon, but not be so key or not trying. The one man from an idea. Then we are going to say, it's so go ahead. They are calling now, coffee, market every do, Balkan and Mian. But okay, baby to say, I'm Molly. Yeah, I'm Molly, baby. So, Udumasi, the Udumasi. Go ahead, Dan, for this session, shoe. But again, and show funnel. And then it's so far. Maybe to say, farm work, a bit more farm work.
Yeah.
Maybe for the Asapa dance and big city who are former MC Dr. Lampy, a year's average, you know. Not then 2 or 4, echo for Libunu. Echo in that will live no common upon and Yakura, give us a day be a bit and a toss of his end is a man of our town. What I'm at some cotton. What is that? So that last shirt or FOB. FOB give us all too much. So it's matter. I'm an uncle. They say that is just to be a what is it? Even says not more for it. That is only a thing. Quattro. We may be a dance in Anko. Now I'm going to share a comrade on the first one. Mamina was say pass over by you. So, hello, good evening. Yeah, me pass 1 minute, I say. Oh, that's easier.
Oh, I bet there. ABC.
What video no?
What's the video?
Yeah, the pato. The video no. The man is here.
Video now walk out one some no. One if I want kasa ho ana.
Me akata mi chance to no. I'm not commenting. Me demu. I should me demu. What should me? Yes, we are video. Me am kata me dia me should. We go with that. My share we short it can be. And now we me friends and can be. That's because I'm the agreement, you know. And you know. And I boy, okay, you don't go to my boy in the room here. Because you can see me make them.
Okay. You. Now
my akole bi ta no.
Na enti wo niam ban sa na say.
Oh, me market and ye so to go soon. So there we down. No say enimu. Let me say about boy me adofu mi boy me. On person go me already say there. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's no boy me. E ma me twi enimu step no aboti. Be count na here and come on boy can man get that step now. Enka enimu ho boy paso na ke chi so boy paso be ye mo wi no. Ni se me wi aboti. Afi enko hia e chi o fe dua me se and no repair. We are not going to anya. We are not going to make Janica. And to the next back, there 5 and 6, and I will finish it 4 pay, and I'm packing a minute.
And cement bag by 4, and a roofing sheet.
5 and 6.
5 or 6 cement bags.
Thank you.
And a roofing sheet, no so by saying 4. And today, you know, Sika Fremuno, Ukabo, my bear saying.
Okay, but buy one bag 100 Ghana, 600, and I will push it 50, and it can go to 200, 800.
And in India, oh, here be 800 Ghana cedis.
Me
patro fa umomo number no to drama me why? 05 double 053 5 8
okay
33 55 3 patro sabo number ni bio
0535
0535 833 553.
That's right.
Okay. You better was say pass oba jumedi so. Kwate koti.
Yeah.
And you know awo nsusu yemu no. Say no Ghana ha den na yenye ni mfensi ayensi.
Me go ma bayu. We go to Papa because I didn't na make us take the guy ya ka ma for today so et mu pu adano and shisheni mutino anyway like leadership minister adan we dey ya feel worried no we dey ya feel worried no we na iso and we for na ipenya kwa na because of we we politician we say adan
na
maybe 20 level and then 38,000 it's different back up no we no akoso then oh mata we janya mo ye kwa
na abede unjin ni say si ano aban no enhye the need a political will say obebu amanfo dan in the sense that 2028 elections so obebu amanfo bi dan a omonto abama
the person the whole guy for mutie any guy for mo the whole mutie me say obi pa now independent I have the political party be no say o the mama me just one term nanya ye kan on ya just run behind that person yes so mama say pano yes because all the unknown you all the uncast of the one term they oh yes mean to be you be one me just a crack yes obi aya dia na mo di na be so aya dia na kwasa na like aden oh sam abochi me ko carry be kwani dia ni pa me kasa kwa no obi me mbe yi e dia me tell no dia bo mba ma ti ba ni twa
okay me ba cho abede videos no SARFO media send o hwe na yi ma me people have started sending in their videos of what they actually went through you know ubetimi asende wo de na ye bisa se Ghana ha sese no yenye den ni ahokyere na aba aban committee 350 million Ghana cedis into a year 1 year how atu obono 200 million no no ye hwe de aboa wo mo a how na atu obono na 150 million no na ye de aye some projects. So we are asking, what should the government do now? Aside, say, what is 350 million Ghana cedis in the Aba? Me but your numbers to call now 0260 196064 0260 196065. These are the numbers I'll bet me afraid now Udu Adrinchere Ababo Jumediano. I was SOMPA 106.5 even for God and country. Some have sent in their videos. And the majority of Facebook wall. Yenuya abed the videos not the band. Wow, shady demo. Shady demo pa. And sure aquako guho. And there had dream ye pow. Why? It's your talk. Wow. That car I park in the fear honorable. But your mammy for call away. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, open Cassia.
Yeah, me pass 1 minute, Cassie.
Yeah, Imani me kasa free. I'm on my baby apology to kasa free.
Okay, Ima, una was sending videos, you know.
Yeah.
Me who videos, no. Na, say no. Say who you then?
For now, me boame huna. Let the baby fufu akoshe. That is the only option because when talk to me, the first one be the buy, you know, and I do a sound for me. second one we are saying massive no there some people it will be family
because we share video no back kwa udemu nyina no away mehu ho asa nsuo ta ho pa nsuo ta ho
and never be sure down for the first time my time on pa na ensure minya gata na ensure no name na kata no enye concrete gata because the gata no yet say alaju je mi bisa concrete gata ni bia but on say ensure no to free pokuasi efi sa esoro wono katapo banani na be professors iti etwi anua alongside it iti ama anua na hitu ma mina sa ope tipa class adobo azino ope be 4 trips kwa utia sa gata no ma ubetimi ati anua ni nyina iti aka umitio
yetio kasa
aha iti ama gata no ma si etwi status wono ma de be fa momole e bi kono gata na anua ye ni nyina mu ma tiano na ama nsuo no eto a entimi accommodate no nti ednamani na trashie necessary abura the dear present to me for the first time nsuo awura me hono no nti na say me hwe proper concrete what is in the lake ya engineering one pa dia ene ya wo sai no mo nyina ye ho be fire pa because ma ho ni nyina ebufa ma ho ni e bo
because me share videos ni sesi a videos a me hwe no edam ho nyina asai insio
ekoka no nyina na ma park ka wo
mehu car na park ni mo no mehu se insio no wura car ni nyina mu
eko ni nyina mu sit etra mirror glass no window glass no they are rolling it down up no.
Okay.
In Canada.
You, Mami Nasi. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me pacho, one minute kasi.
Pacho,
Auntie Becky, what are my pacho kasa free? Mataheko. Auntie Becky, is your toy, a year for one.
Pacho, I find you, yummy, for a dog.
Whoa.
If you have your medium, woman, glass, and upon the
Fitiano Pauni. Oh, oh,
problem, no, I see I'm here to one side. You can be for my uniform now.
Sir, Auntie, Okasa will be a bassa. Now be a bassa. And you be a no umrashe bedweni, and I say, Municipal Chief Executive, Omabwa, Ayamuntemo, Ababe Shessedie, or Haunetiana. Obia Mao. Hello? Oh, hello, Mini Ababeki. And now Obiaso and my home share said that to be anati. Now, more MP no or your way. Ure unkai. Na sesi ano said ya uka say. And then you know wunye nidi no. Say obi pesa oba omwa. Number ben on Francis so. Or famu munisfaso.
Yeah, number we
me pacho bobo number na mami.
059.
059. Me pacho dia oka manti o si 059. Oh, ni line akate. Line akate, the line akate. Pacho sa bomoding na frebio. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Pacho, good evening.
Me pacho udini baby akase free.
Pacho beginning the Grace.
Dakoman kokompe. Ensure I toy no a year for
okay, Pacho and the beer here one. The yenye that program on. Then when ye asa for ye will trace be. Tap that command. Name soon about Beladiadum. If you know that Monday na ye be fine.
Enti ewa sorry hold on nyema say wo ho ana.
Nyema makuma could be say about pa. That would be the home. Ye MP Rabina Obin.
Rabina Obin.
Share bucket say what guy tan. Why she?
Meet you.
Okay, you say man tehini say the schedule. The baby one culture you call the back. You were in a June 11 years and last month.
Okay.
11 years amount for complaining say Santa buying winner or no power no one side way issue. Almost anchor. But then I anchor. Every year no media score rounds. Not complaining. They see it's when say can no. Because we say one woman say what you say cano in my microphone. Then what you say one thing. It is a baby say now if Cabashim who she now when I see many be. And what you call about wow the Bema wa or Wunipa. For many politics. No one can only different according maybe a barco. Oh, it's ways I make an inquire. Churches, be a church we crazy. Methodist, no man who kind, no much of a church, no kind, no do the amount. No, Omako Pentacles, Omako say, oh, Papa, we saw the man who call for our own. What is canon? It can acquire in chair, one can acquire in chair, the canon of BRS Inca. That is we a tell you, I so may see, because I say, Nika will try, Nipa is kind of kind. Wow, time. Wow, this is not the way. I don't know, said the way I am born is a big PNC or my gun man. Can I ban a mama chili? I am fine. Or my can carry when I said the young is free.
Until Udi also says, Sky are buying a chat to honor, and ya dear, one a trench and my two abon. Do one answer Kescano.
Fishing now, when we go for. Uncle Siaga, Uncle Wow, at the head now, come and kind of Uncle she with the place, winning them, really. So, we shall never see some national name, say. Now, the moon pay from 1 million in soon in a sana and come. Said no Musa, so a day, bring me your crown. This is not the first sight.
All right, Mammy Nasi, Mammy Nasi. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me pato one minute kasi.
Auntie Becky na sana.
Auntie Becky, un number na yesenga.
052.
059.
23.
23.
044.
044.
25.
25. Auntie number na repeat bio.
059.
059 23 Timbe nebeba Deborah Opoku Mami enna wase why yo na what now so we he Mataheku ena wona me kase wo se sabre wunya ndidie Whether it's for Yabasremo, Munko Mami Muamame, why? Munko Mami Muamame, Kitwe bien swa. Na mami the number ni bi fa number na mami me da say. Na number na ye. Aye 059 230 4425 059 230 4425 Deborah Ofei the chakwan e wo Mataheku we dey ebesrebo munko no moama yen. Hello,
good evening, Prof.
Good evening, but one minute na say
we Afrifa kan tamanto
Afrifa na but what to say
na ko kwanda ro man pacha onzo e
adomara kwa Afrifa na nso e yirifa wa na
o no kurenya me nim de ye de said the emperor solution de insuo no de be a me tie ne de ankame na me nua baba fo na so se na me ne nyina na tisi de mo na ni tisi ho no me